Welcome back, everyone. All my amazing learners, whether you're a student, parent, guardian, or teacher, I'm here to help you become better at what you do. Now, listen, I know that there are a few parents who are still having struggles using the Gmail account that was created for the child by the Ministry of Education. Now, right here, you will see an example of what the email account will look like. Most schools will send it to you via the child's teacher or the form teacher. So it will have the child's name, first name, full stop, middle initial, last name, the child's birthday at moeschools.edu.jm. So it is very important that you know that. And then now the password is usually a simple password. Password 123 or some such thing. Password 876. And then you are encouraged to set a new password after you have accessed the Gmail account for the first time. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this on your Android device. Some people have been lucky enough to just use www.gmail.com, enter the child's Gmail address, like the example that I told you before, enter the password and it just works for them. Maybe you could try that method too. Parents, guardians, or anybody else who is helping the child to get this set up on their device. Remember, if it is an Android device, you just go into settings, accounts, add account, click on Google. Okay, because you are adding another Google account to the device. Now you're going to use the email address that you received from the school, the one that has the child's name and birthday at moeschools.edu.jm. Make sure that you type it in exactly as though you received it from the school, and then you're going to continue adding the password that you received from the school. And if there are any issues, don't be afraid, parents, to reach out to the school so that they can assist you. If that is a problem, then you can always reach out to somebody who is good with IT and maybe they can assist you. But because this originates at the Ministry of Education, sometimes the regular person might not have all the information. So please, parents, help to set up your children for success and get this done, because it appears that the Ministry of Education has seriously committed to online learning or maybe hybrid learning. All the best. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.